Hello everyone. Are you ready to supercharge your investments for 2025? Imagine owning ETFs that could redefine your portfolio. Today, we're diving into the top 8 ETFs to own in 2025: SCHD, VU, QQQ, SPY, IBIT, SMH, AIQ, and GLD. Stay tuned because we have a special tip coming up at the end. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us and remember to comment and share. Let's kick off with SCHD, the Schwab U.S. Dividend Equity ETF. Investing in these companies provides stable income. These companies thrive. Ultimately, selecting high-quality, dividend-generating companies not only enhances portfolio stability but also offers the potential for long-term growth. Such investments reflect a commitment to sustainable financial practices, benefiting both investors and the economy as a whole. It boasts low fees and has a history of strong performance. If you want income alongside growth, SCHD is worth considering. The expense ratio remains remarkably low. This 0.06% expense ratio not only signifies efficient management but also highlights the commitment to maximizing returns for investors. By minimizing costs, we ensure that more of your investment goes toward growth rather than administrative fees, reinforcing our dedication to your financial success. Next is VU, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Investing in this ETF allows you to benefit from diverse sectors, enhancing your portfolio's growth potential over time. This strategy maximizes returns. By choosing this ETF, investors not only gain access to the leading companies in the U.S. but also position themselves for long-term financial stability and growth, making it a smart addition to any investment strategy. VU is a favorite for long-term investors due to its diversified nature. It's perfect for anyone looking for stability and growth. The VU expense ratio is impressively low at 0.03%. This means that for every $1,000 invested in VU, you'll only pay 30 cents in expenses annually. This minimal cost is one of the reasons investors favor VU for its efficiency and potential growth in the long run. Now, let's move to QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust. In a rapidly evolving digital marketplace, Apple and Amazon dominate innovation. As they continue to shape consumer experiences, both companies push boundaries, investing heavily in research and development. Their influence extends beyond technology. It redefines entire industries while setting the pace for future advancements. Together, they illustrate the power of innovation in a competitive world. If you believe in technology's bright future, QQQ could be your golden ticket. It's known for significant returns, especially during tech booms. The QQQ expense ratio remains notably low. This low expense ratio of 0.20% highlights the fund's commitment to minimizing costs for its investors, allowing them to keep more of their returns while benefiting from market growth and stability. SPY follows the same S&P 500 index as VU but trades at a premium. Despite the higher fees, many investors find that the liquidity of SPY provides them with a comfort that outweighs the costs. They value its simplicity. Ultimately, the decision to choose SPY hinges on the investor's preference for liquidity versus cost, as its ease of trading remains a significant advantage in the ever-changing market landscape. This unique balance often influences long-term investment strategies. It's a great option if you're looking for quick trades. The SPY expense ratio stands at 0.09%. The remarkably low cost of the SPY expense ratio demonstrates its value, making it an attractive option for investors seeking efficient portfolio management. It's this efficient pricing that allows investors to keep their hard-earned money working for them. Now on to something different, IBIT, the Bitwise 10 Crypto Index Fund. This ETF gives you exposure to top cryptocurrencies. With the rising interest in digital assets, IBIT could be a game changer. However, remember to consider market volatility before diving in. The expense ratio concludes at 0.25%. A low expense ratio of 0.25% ensures that investors retain more of their returns, promoting a healthier investment experience overall. This advantage reflects the effectiveness of careful management in maximizing investor benefits. SMH, the VanEck Vectors Semiconductor ETF, is next. The semiconductor industry is crucial for tech innovation. As 5G and AI grow, SMH could lead to substantial gains. Investors often see it as a long-term growth opportunity. The expense ratio stands at 0.35%. This low figure reflects the efficiency of the fund management, ensuring that investors benefit from minimal costs while maximizing their potential returns, making it an attractive option for those seeking effective investment strategies. AIQ, the Global X Robotics and Artificial Intelligence ETF, is a must-watch. Robotics and AI are shaping the future. This exchange-traded fund, or ETF, specifically targets firms that are revolutionizing automation technologies. Through this strategic investment approach, the ETF not only supports innovation but also positions itself to benefit from the growth of industries that embrace advanced technology, paving the way for a more efficient and automated future. If you believe in the future of work transforming, AIQ might be for you. The AIQ expense ratio measures costs. Understanding that the AIQ expense ratio stands at 0.68% is essential for investors, as it reflects the efficiency of the fund while determining profitability and ongoing management expenses. Lower ratios are generally viewed as favorable, enhancing potential returns. Last but not least, we have GLD, the SPDR Gold Trust. Gold often acts as a hedge against inflation. Investors turn to GLD to mitigate risks during turbulent times. GLD acts as a reliable hedge. In the ever-changing landscape of investment, GLD stands out as a beacon of stability, allowing investors to navigate uncertainties with confidence and fostering a sense of security in their financial strategies. Ultimately, GLD plays a crucial role in enhancing portfolio resilience during market fluctuations. It's perfect for risk-averse investors looking for safety. The GLD expense ratio equals 0.40%. This means that for every $1,000 invested in GLD, investors pay $4 annually in fees, which is a relatively low cost compared to many other investment options in the market. In summary, these 8 ETFs offer diverse investment opportunities. From steady income to high-growth tech, there's something for everyone. Remember, always do your own research before investing. As you progress on your journey, remember that knowledge is power. Never shy away from seeking advice and expanding your understanding of financial opportunities. Consulting with a financial advisor can provide invaluable insights. In the ever-changing world of finance, staying informed is crucial, and by continually learning and exploring, you empower yourself to make better choices. Growth comes from seeking knowledge and guidance, ensuring your financial future shines brightly. Now for that special tip. Consider allocating a portion of your portfolio to more than one ETF. This way, you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. If you enjoyed our insights, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Engage with other investors in the comments below. Let's build a successful future together. See you in the next video.